Hi folks, good morning everyone. Welcome to ShirlJun Vlogs. Today's tutorial, I want to show you how to make a YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is a shorts video file that we can connect to our viewers and to our audience. But before we make, a YouTube Shorts, we need to follow these 3 steps. 1, we need to film a video with a vertical position. Number 2 is we need only up to 60 seconds only, and in the title or in the description we need to add a hashtag shorts. But before we continue, let's enter first and we will continue our tutorial. Okay folks, let's continue. Open your video editor in your Android phone or in your mobile phone. So I have KINEMASTer application. This is my video editor, so I will tap my KINEMASTer application. Then I will tap the create new. Then the YouTube Shorts must be in vertical position. So I will select 9:16. This is the vertical position for the YouTube Shorts. Then I will tap the create new. Then what I will do is to select the one I filmed a video. So I will tap this one and this one, and I will tap this X. I'll bring in the right position. As you can see here, this is the vertical position. And you can see also, my time, that is only 56.899 seconds. So you can do up to 60 seconds only. More than that, it will not be a YouTube Shorts. Or you can do also 50, 56, 57, it's okay, seconds. But more than 60 seconds, it will not be accepted. So just make it only 56, 57, 50 seconds. It's okay. Now I will edit this one. I will tap in this position, then tap, then I will tap the 3-minute split, then I will tap split. Okay, then I will tap this one. Then I will look here for the clip graphics. You can edit your YouTube Shorts. Then I will select here this neon frames, this one. Then I will select this number 4. Okay, then I will tap this one. Okay, then I will tap also this one. Then look again for the clip graphics. Then I will select here what we call this one, the baby frame, this one. So I will choose this one. Then I will tap this. Then I will tap again this one. And you can see here.
Come on, Sandy. Come on.
Okay.
Sandy,
so
come here, come
I will
here,
stop
come on,
this
come
one,
on,
right?
come on, Sandy, Sandy.
After we play this one, then we must to save this one. So I will tap this one. Then the resolution must be 1080p and the frame rate must be 60. And I will put this into higher position. So must be have a good resolution. Then I will tap the save as video. While the savings, after that, then we will upload this one. Then I will show you also there to put the title and also in the description, and I will show you there how to put the hashtag shorts to recognize that is a YouTube Shorts. Let me finish this one and we will upload. Okay, it's already going to finish. That's finished. So we'll upload. Okay, folks. So you can see now my channel dashboard. Now I will tap this video content so you can see the 3 uploaded YouTube shorts that I made. So the first one is the one I will make a tutorial for you. So I will tap this one. And this is the one I'm telling you. And the title, just write your title or type your title, then space, then slash, space, then hashtag shorts. Then the same also in description. You have to put also hashtag, then shorts. Now in the thumbnail, automatically YouTube will make a thumbnail for the YouTube shorts. So don't make any thumbnail. Then I will scroll this going down and I will tap this show more. And then you can see here tags. In the tags, just put YouTube shorts, then shorts video, shorts, then type also your title, then space, then slash, then space, then hashtag shorts. So this is the way how we do this when we uploading our YouTube shorts. Then I will show you also here, and the left side we'll see. Then I will tap this one, this arrow going to the left, and you can see here customization. We are now in the position of layout, so you cannot see. Oh, there you can see here below my YouTube shorts. Now to see that, if this one is not appearing in your customization, tap in this side, then remove. So you can see here no more that YouTube shorts. To appear that one, this plus add section, tap this one, and you tap the shorts video. Okay, and you can see here now the shorts video. Okay, it will appear that shorts video. Okay, I think you got what I'm saying. That's it. Okay, folks, that's the end of the tutorial. I think you learned something. Consider subscribe our YouTube channel ShirlJun Vlogs and hit notification bell so you will be notified with our latest video. See you in my next tutorial.